Let's learn how to get this 1980s AI filter that you can use for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Welcome back to another simple tutorial, everyone. If you want to create the 1980s trending video, you will need two things. You're going to need the TikTok app, which you probably have installed on your device, and we will need the CapCut editing app. CapCut is available in both the App Store or the Google Play Store, so go and download the app if you don't have it. The first step that you want to do is to open the TikTok application on your device, and we will then go to the search bar. In here, we will type 1980s filter or 1980s effect, and we're going to get a bunch of different videos with this effect applied. You want to open any of these videos that have this effect, and what we have to do in order to create a video of our own is to tap on this little CapCut Try This Template button. This is going to show us a little preview on how this filter looks like, and let's click here in order to import this effect into our CapCut editing app. Wait a second or two, and then click on the Use Template button. We're now going to open our photo gallery, and we just have to find the photo which we want to use with this effect. I'll select a photo which I had downloaded from pexels.com, and when I do select the photo, I'll tap on the Next button. Just wait a couple of seconds until CapCut applies this effect on our photo, and when it does, you're going to get your 1980s trending video. You can then tap on the Export button at the top right if you want to save the video to your photo gallery, and you can then share this video on TikTok or Instagram Reels. And that's about it for this video, everyone. If this video helped you out and you were able to create this trend without a problem, then make sure to leave a like on it, and I will see you soon.